Hello everyone, a very pleasant day to you. Here are the top stories this hour. Governor Chukwuma Soludo wins Anambra governorship election for second term. We are no longer burying people like before, Khan chairman makes bold claims. On the foreign scene, U.S. Senate passes deal aimed at ending government shutdown. A very good day to you and welcome to First Next News Port Harcourt. I am Becky Usoro. Now the news in details. Governor Chukwuma Soludo, candidate of the All Progressive Grand Alliance APGA, has emerged the winner of the Anambra State governorship election, following the announcement of results from all 21 local government areas by the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC. INEC announced that a total of 584,054 votes were collated across the state, with Soludo securing 422,664 votes, maintaining a decisive lead over his closest rival, Nicholas Ukachukwu of All Progressive Congress APC, who garnered 99,445 votes. Other candidates include African Democratic Congress ADC with 8,208 votes and People's Democratic Party PDP 1,401 votes. Here are the results by local governments. In Jikoka local government area, APC 5,687 votes, APGA 22,213 votes, Labour Party 311 votes, PDP 47. Newi South local government area, APC 9,281 votes, APGA 17,286, Labour Party 73, PDP 12. Newi North local government area, APC 5,441 votes, APGA 20,320, Labour Party 1,140, PDP 45. Ayamelum local government area, APC 7,478 votes, APGA 13,340 votes, Labour Party 117, PDP 13. Anambra East local government area, APC 3,108 votes, APGA 14,665, Labour Party 304, PDP 207 votes. Obaru local government area, APC 3,768 votes, APGA 22,803 votes, Labour Party 347, PDP 30. Orumba North local government area, APC 2,615 votes, APGA 24,664 votes, Labour Party 131, PDP 17 votes. Orumba South local government area, APC 2,828 votes, APGA 19,818 votes, Labour Party 16, PDP 18. Aguata local government area, APC 4,125 votes, APGA 35,559 votes, Labour Party 124, PDP 82. Onitsha North local government area, APC 4,677 votes, APGA 24,225 votes, Labour Party 500, PDP 111. Onitsha South local government area, APC 4,156 votes, APGA 15,742 votes, Labour Party 615, PDP 73. Anocha local government area, APC 5,956 votes, APGA 20,118 votes, Labour Party 483, PDP 42. Oka South local government area, APC 5,038 votes, ABGA 27,896 votes, Labour Party 520 votes, PDP 63. Idemili South Local Government Area, APC 6,015 votes, ABGA 17,224 votes, Labour Party 276, PDP 40. Ekusigo Local Government Area, APC 2,973 votes, ABGA 18,749 votes, Labour Party 194, PDP 70. Idemili North Local Government Area, APC 6,383 votes, ABGA 25,498 votes, Labour Party 1,275 votes, PDP 125. Ihiala Local Government Area, APC 4,425 votes, ABGA 23,557 votes, Labour Party 135 votes, PDP nil. Anambra West Local Government Area, APC 16,595 votes, ABGA 71,365 votes, YPP 2,871 votes, ADC 152 votes. 16 candidates, including incumbent Governor Chukwuma Soludo, contested for the election. The election was reportedly peaceful, with no reported cases of violence, although voter turnout was unimpressive. You're still listening to News on First Next News Port Harcourt. Let's go for a short break. When we return to bring to you more details, as the CAN chairman makes bold claims, we are no longer burying people like before. On the foreign scene, U.S. Senate passes deal aimed at ending government shutdown. Please stay with us. Welcome back. In case you're just joining us, you're listening to News on First Next News Port Harcourt. We now bring you the rest of the news. Regarding the rise in Asian Christian genocide in Nigeria, recall that Kaduna had been one of the states most affected by bandits and terrorist attacks in recent years, with hundreds killed and displaced people displaced before the gradual decline in violence under the current administration. The chairman of the Christian Association of Nigeria, CAN, in the 19 northern states at the Federal Capital Territory FCT, Reverend Joseph John Hayab, has said that the era of constant killings in Kaduna State is gradually fading away under the leadership of Governor Uba Sani. We are no longer burying people like before, he stated. To a large extent, people are no longer scared to travel to certain places. Even curfews that used to be imposed at the slightest tension are no longer common. There is new life in Kaduna. According to him, the improvement in security is largely due to the inclusive and open style of governance adopted by Governor Uba Sani, which has encouraged trust and dialogue between the government and the people. In the past, people didn't trust the system. They saw the government as being against them, but now people are free to speak, and the government is willing to listen. This openness is helping to sustain peace, he said. Reverend Hayab noted that though isolated security incidents still occur, large-scale attacks that once made headlines have drastically reduced. Before, we're hearing about 20 or 200 people being killed at once. Now, such reports are rare. The reduction shows progress, he added. He also praised Governor Sani for his outreach to communities across the state, particularly those in southern Kaduna, who he said had long felt excluded from governance. Hayab called on leaders nationwide to embrace inclusion and dialogue as tools for national peace and cohesion. When regions or groups cry out, they are simply asking for attention. When leaders ignore them, they create division. But when you listen and engage, people feel they belong, he advised. He expressed optimism that the peace currently being enjoyed in Kaduna will endure if the present approach continues. Our prayer is that the spirit continues. What we are witnessing now is a new life in Kaduna, he concluded. Moving on to the foreign news, a deal aimed at ending the U.S. government's shutdown has passed the Senate, paving the way for the record-breaking impasses to be broken. After a weekend of negotiations in Washington, a minority of Democrats joined the Republicans and voted in favor of an agreement. The vote is a procedural first step towards passing a compromise to fund the government since it ran out of money on 1st October. It will need to clear several more hurdles, including a vote from the House of Representatives before federal employees and services return, but it is the first serious sign of progress after 40 days of deadlock. The current shutdown is the longest on record in the U.S., and until this weekend, it appeared that Republican and Democratic lawmakers were locked in a stalemate. Many government services have been suspended since October, and around 1.4 million federal employees are unpaid, leave, or working without pay. The shutdown has wide-ranging impacts on a variety of services, including U.S. air travel and food benefits of 41 million low-income Americans. That's all on the news this hour. We now bring you highlights of the top stories so far. We brought to you that from Anambra State, Governor Soludo wins again, the second time for governor. And also brought to you that the CAN chairman makes bold claims. We are no longer burying people like before. On the foreign scene, it brought to you the U.S. Senate passes deal aimed at ending government shutdown. Do remember, democracy is the only system that persists in asking the past that be whether they are the powers that ought to be. I am Becky Usoro. From I and the entire team in Port Harcourt, Nigeria, many thanks for watching. Bye for now.